And you will know my name is the Lord when I lay my vengeance upon thee.
What happens if the manager won't give you the diamonds?
Cut off one of his fingers. The little one.
She was bugging me the whole time. She got pissy with me because I wouldn't let her carry the bag, and then she started running her fucking mouth about, because I couldn't remember where the car was parked right away when we came out. So then she got on me about that. Is it this aisle, Lewis? Is it that aisle, Lewis? It's totally fucking with my nerves, man.
So what, you left her there?
I shot her.
Marvin, what do you make of all this?
Man, I don't even have an opinion.
You gotta have an opinion. I mean, you think that God came down from heaven and stopped us? Oh, fuck's happening? Oh, man. Oh, man, I shot Marvin in the face. Why the fuck did you do that? What?
You saw my car, I saw your legs. Now look, I ain't stalking y'all, but I didn't say I wasn't a wolf.
Let's kill this bastard.
9999999.
In the car, baby. We'll just talk, it'll be nice.